A chain reaction on the 14 freeway. 5 people injured, including a pregnant woman. Alfonso Santiago was working in this tire shop next to the freeway.
And all of a sudden, you just heard a big smash up. And when we came running to the fence, the propane tank was on its side. The little car was smashed up from behind.
This car was the most severely damaged. Hit from behind by the propane tanker, which investigators say caused the car to slam into the RV.
When you look at it, they're very fortunate that they actually survived.
The driver of this car was airlifted, as was her 12-year-old daughter, who was in the RV. This is the southbound side of the 14 freeway, just south of Crown Valley Road. Personal items and car parts were strewn across a few lanes. Due to concern about propane in this tank possibly exploding, the businesses next to the freeway were evacuated for much of the day, including David Span's auto parts store.
You own your own business. You're not working, you're not getting paid. So
CHP says this RV had mechanical issues and was pulling to the shoulder of the freeway. Apparently, those problems started a lot earlier. Alfonso Santiago said he saw this RV on the shoulder of the 14 freeway just before Crown Valley as he drove to work.
7:30 this morning, right there on the side of the 14 going south. And so I knew they were having some kind of trouble.
It was about 2 hours later that this happened. CHP says the RV had pulled over. Family members were following in this car. CHP says they aren't certain if the RV and car were completely off the freeway or partially still on the freeway when the propane tanker hit the car and rolled on its side. Propane was transferred to another tank to lighten the load so this truck could be uprighted and then towed away. The southbound lanes were reopened just in time for rush hour. And Pat and Jeff, as you can see, things are looking pretty good here on the southbound lanes and northbound lanes here on the 14. Reporting live from Acton, Greg Mills, CBS 2 News.
Yeah,